Hi everybody. Today we are going to learn how to turn off precise location tracking for apps that don't need it. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. Scroll down through the Settings list and tap directly on the section labeled Location. Inside the Location dashboard, tap on the option labeled App Location Permissions to see a full list of applications tracking your device. Look through the list and tap directly on the specific app you want to restrict, such as a weather application or a social media network. Locate the toggle switch right next to the option explicitly labeled Use Precise Location. Tap on the toggle switch next to Use Precise Location to slide it completely off. The operating system framework will instantly revoke the high-accuracy GPS tracking authorization for that application package. The system will now supply the application with an approximate blurred area readout instead of your exact physical street address coordinates, keeping your precise location completely private while allowing the app to function normally. And that's it. I hope it helps you on your current and future project. Thank you for watching.